Insurance policy. In insurance, the insurance policy is a contract, generally a standard form contract between the insurance and the policy holder, which determine the claims which the insurance is legally required to pay in exchange from an initial payment known as the premium. The insurance promised to pay for loss caused by previous covered under the policy language. Insurance contracts are designed to meet specific needs and thus have many features not found in many other type of contract. Since insurance policy are standard form, they feature boilerplate language which is similar across a wide variety of different type of insurance policy. The insurance policy is generally an integrated contract, meaning that it includes all forms associated with the agreement between the insurance and insured. In some cases, however, supplementary writing such a letter sent from the final agreement can make the insurance policy a non-integrated contract. One insurance textbook states that generally quote concede all prior negotiated or agreements every contract term in the policy at the time of delivery, as well as those written afterward as policy rider and endorsement with the both parties consent are part of the written policy. The textbook also states that the policy must refer to all papers which are part of the policy. Oral agreements are subjected to the parole and evidence rule and may not be considered part of the policy if the contract appears to be whole. Advertising material and consult are typically not part of a policy. Oral contract pending the insurance of a written policy can occur. General features. The insurance contract or agreement is a contract whereby the insurance promises to pay benefit to insurance or on their behalf to their third party of certain defined event occur, subjected to the event must be uncertain. The uncertain can be either as to when the will happen. In an example, in a life insurance policy, the time of insurance that is uncertain, or as to if it will be happen at all. Example, in a fire insurance policy, where or not fire will occur at all. Insurance contracts are generally considered contract to advance because the insurance draws up the contract and the insured has little or no able to make material change to it. This is interpreted to mean that the insurance bears the burden if there is an amendment in any terms of the contract. Insurance policy are sold without the policy holder even see a copy of the contract. In 1970, Robert Caton suggested that may court were actually applied reasonable expectation rather than interpreting obligation with the called the reasonable expectation doctrine. The doctrine has been controversy with some court adopting it and other rejecting in service judiciary, including California, Virginia, and the insurance is bound by clear and corrupted terms in the contract even if the evidence suggests that insured did not read or understand them. Insurance contracts are alternate in the amount exchanged by the insured and insured are unequal and depend upon uncertain future event. In contract, ordinary non-insurance contracts are communicative in that the amount or valuable exchange are usually intended by the parties to be rough equal. This distribution is particularly important in the content of exotic product as a finite risk insurance that contain community provides it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Love you all.